Another way of converting pictures into stitches is through the Convert Artwork to Embroidery icon. This icon is found in Artwork Canvas. Click on the Artwork Canvas icon to switch to the Corel side of the embroidery software. Corel SE is a powerful part of Software 9. To add the image, click on Insert Artwork and navigate to the location of the image. Select the image. Corel can open many different types of images. Click on Import and press Enter to add the image to the software. This side of the software can be used to process both bitmaps and vector images. This type of processing works much like auto-digitize in that all the image is processed into stitches, and the software determines the stitch type and the stitch order. Since these images do not go through a color reduction process as you do in the auto-digitize process, you may have more colors added to the design than you want, but these can be edited later. Click on Convert, and the image is converted into stitches. Like other automatic methods, colors, stitch angles, as well as object shapes can be edited. To change the type of stitch, select the part of the image you wish to change. You can right-click to open up Object Properties, select a new type of fill, and click OK. Make any other changes you wish to make. This type of processing does not automatically change pull compensation. So you may find that you want to go into Effects, the Others tab, and change the pull compensation. By changing the pull compensation of the outline, the satin stitch is wider.